Imagine a workspace where collaboration flows seamlessly, where teams can connect, share, and innovate without barriers. Microsoft Teams is that workspace, and today, we'll unlock its full potential for effective collaboration. In this video, we'll explore how to maximize Microsoft Teams for collaboration. We'll cover key features, share tips for effective teamwork, and discuss best practices to ensure your team thrives. Microsoft Teams is packed with features designed to enhance collaboration. Organize your work by creating dedicated channels for different projects or topics to keep conversations focused. Use the chat feature for real-time communication, sending direct messages or creating group chats for quick updates. Teams integrates with OneDrive and SharePoint, allowing easy file sharing and real-time collaboration on documents. Schedule meetings directly within Teams, utilizing features like screen sharing and recording to enhance your meetings. Microsoft Teams supports a variety of third-party apps, integrating tools like Trello to streamline your workflow. Before starting a project, ensure everyone understands the objectives and use the Planner tool to assign tasks. When you need someone's attention, use It Mentions in your messages to send a notification to the person. Schedule regular team meetings to discuss progress and address challenges, keeping everyone aligned and fostering communication. Create a culture where team members feel comfortable sharing their thoughts and use polls to gather feedback. Use the built-in wiki to document important information, serving as a central knowledge base for team members. Structure your teams and channels logically, avoiding clutter by archiving channels that are no longer active. Tailor your notification settings to avoid distractions, muting channels that aren't relevant while keeping important updates. Utilize background effects during video calls to maintain professionalism and minimize distractions. Take advantage of the recording feature for meetings, allowing team members who couldn't attend to catch up later. Invest time in training your team on how to use Microsoft Teams effectively, sharing resources that highlight tips. With so many channels and messages, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Encourage team members to use the search function. To avoid misunderstandings, encourage clarity in messages and confirm understanding by summarizing key points. If team members seem disengaged during meetings, consider using interactive features like polls to encourage participation. Ensure that all team members are familiar with the platform and provide resources to troubleshoot common issues. Encourage team members to establish a work schedule and respect each other's time to balance work and personal life. In summary, Microsoft Teams is a robust platform that can significantly enhance collaboration when used effectively. By leveraging its features, implementing best practices, and addressing common challenges, your team can work more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share your own tips. Let's continue to learn and grow together.